Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can delete comment history on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my profile. And if we want to delete comment history, we need to go to the TikTok settings and privacy. To access the TikTok setting and privacy, we can click on this icon on the top right, and then it's like the settings and privacy. Okay, after we have opened the settings and privacy, we need to scroll down until we find the activity center, and then hold on. Okay, here we can choose comment history, and then if you want to delete the comment history, you just need to tap the comment like this, and you're going to tap and hold on the comment and simply click on delete. And unfortunately guys, we can't delete the comment history at once. We need to delete the comment one by one like this. Go to the comment, and then you will be able to delete the comment like this. Tap and hold and then delete. Oops, sorry, my internet connection is poor, so as you can see that I can't delete this comment, but okay, let's just skip it. The point is, I have shown you how we can delete the comment, and then I'm going to go back guys, and let's see about watch history. For the watch history guys, we can select all and we can remove them at once like this, but there is no option for comment history to be deleted at once. I don't know, TikTok need to add feature to remove the comment history at once. Okay, because we need to delete it one by one, and of course it will be so tiring, right? Okay, basically you just need to go to the activity center and then go to the comment history to remove them. Okay guys, and that's all the way to delete comment history on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.